Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and you guys already know about Remove Busy and all other softwares that I have previously featured. That is like a Remove Busy, like which does a single thing, that is removing something from the background, like not the background, like replacing the background with nothing and making it a PNG image. Okay, so that is a basic task of it, like which we can do in Photoshop. But for our like who don't have Photoshop, and for our like everyday use to get things quickly done, we will not be using Photoshop for every other image to like finely tune it and all. We will just swap it with Remove PG, right? Now today I have a Remove VG like website that is literally the most accurate possible website, okay, in terms of removing the background. And I have used it myself, and I am telling you from the experience only, okay. Because what happens is whenever we use like other website, it has like obviously most of them there are some detection issues, first thing. And if it also like detects correctly, it creates a halo or ag, a halo edge in the halo in the edges, and the edges are not sharp, a little bit blurry, okay. So those things happens. But in our today's site, all of the problems that I am right now talking about is totally removed, okay. Let me just show it to you, the website, and we will see what we are actually talking about. And I will show you like the background removal I have already done over here. I will show that example to you as well, okay. So let's just get started. So here is our tool, that is remove background from clipboard. And if you can remember, actually one of their website I have uh, showed you before, that is this one, cleanup, I think, yeah. Which easily removes particularly a object from a background and all, okay, like from a picture, not a background. But today we have this, and as you can see, the like showed result are looking great, like what they have showcased over here. And this is one example that I have used to like see what they can do and what they can't. It is a really complex sci-fi scene, to be honest, as you can see it over here, okay. It's really complex because when I have used remove bg, it almost took a little bit part away from here and there, okay. So that's one thing. But here, first of all, we are getting like really sharp edges in terms of this particular body, okay. And I'm really loving this. And here are the lightning. This is not lightning or what, or fireballs or speedy fireballs or whatever, whatever it is. Remove bg also like kept it like this, but they were never sharp enough like this one. Like the robot body was not sharp enough like this one. This looks crisp clear, like if you see it, you can understand the difference over here. Can I zoom it? No, I can't. Basically, yeah, no, I can't. Whatever. So you can see the difference over here, like how sharp it is. But yeah, it has some of the anomalies. Here you can see a little bluish thing that is over here. And what I would have preferred if they could like remove all of these things, that would have been a great as well. But one thing they should add is they should add that thing where you can edit the rest of your image. The remove video website has this, like you can perfect your png, like not png, perfect your image within the editor of it. So I think they should have kept that also. But all in all, the results look really great, as you can see how sharp it is, right? And they have actually displayed the same thing over here. As you can see, here are some of the results from their side, their previous experiments. And you can see, you can totally understand what I was talking about, the helio type creation that I was talking about, that is over here. Then complex object, it can easily remove complex object. But in this situation they haven't, because I think it is not a like simpler pattern like this, rather than it's a whole picture. What they actually mentioned over here as well, like whatever is in focus they will take that only. And I think they are treating it as a focus ground, because obviously the light and halos are in focus. And as you can see, those parts of the halos, okay, here you can see a little halos, they have totally removed that, because obviously that was not the focus plane, but rather than this is the focus plane. So that's why they have kept this here. So that's something you have to keep in mind about, like the focus plane. Whatever is in focus will obviously get detected. And here you can see the sharpest possible object detection in an online background remover. Obviously in Photoshop you can do everything, but here you see how exact the result is. So that's really great. And what they have mentioned use cases, I am not worried about that. You know the use cases. But what you can do is get an API key of it. But I would say that it's a little bit pricier side on. Okay, okay, wait. If I click on request an API, wait, let me go to the pricing. Yeah, you can see the prices of this API. For 0.15 per image, you can get 1,000 credits in $149. Now the thing is, obviously for per API users that is really low, but only if when you are buying it in mass and they don't have the subscription plan yet. What I think would be really great if they introduce it, because I think when you are like going for the subscription plan, it really uh, take the burden of like buying individual credits. And I think they will like give a lot more in the subscription plan rather than our simple pricing plan that is we are having right now. So yeah, extremely sorry. So that's basically about this website. Okay. I really don't have any other pictures to try in this website, because I usually download all of the already extracted images. But I have yet seeing another picture to show it to you. Let's see what it detects. it, it detected nothing, because obviously it's a tricky image and the focus plane is here. But yeah, it detected nothing. So when you are like dealing with some of those tricky images, you have to keep those things in mind. Like it may fail for some of the images, and it is really failing for this image. Now if someone from clip drop, or if you are watching it, please keep this in mind. Like it's not 100% correct for sure, and for some of the images it's not correct at all. Let me try another one. Which one? Actually, if I try complex images, it will keep on giving me this kind of results. So there is no use of it. What else? What else should I try? What else should I try? Okay, let's try a image of mine, because why not, right? I think it will be able to detect it completely. Let's see. It's taking longer than usual. And see, yeah, I knew it. It can detect it perfectly, because see the walk over here, how much they have removed. Like, it's really great. It's really great. Obviously, there are some blurred out backgrounds, but those are still in focus, right? Still, it have detected to remove it. And yeah, for this thing, I am loving this result. Yeah. So you basically get the point, right? For some of the images which have like really what really complex colors, with any without any like visual difference. Actually, there are visual difference, but in one color gamut, I would say, yeah, yeah, we can use that. Or a particular contrast, it can't detect that image properly, but for a normal usage like this one, it can obviously detect it and make really good results from it. Okay. And the thing is, this is free. I don't know up to how much images, but obviously they will put a price cap on it after some days, I think. Yeah. But till that time, you can use it, and it's incredibly awesome. I love it for sure. And that's basically about it about this video. Rather than that, if you know something like this, which is really great, first of all, because no doubt this platform is great. Is it better than remove bg? Please decide it yourself and let me know as well. Okay. Because I will be using both of them for my uh, usage, like day-to-day usage, whenever I can, like, or whenever I need like most accurate, I would be preferring this one maybe. And whenever I have to do something quick, because remove bg has their plugin in Figma, I will use remove bg. So really doesn't matter to me. And if you know something like some other apps like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future video and use it myself, first of all. And rather than that, if you like this particular video or like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel and subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below, share with your friends, and help me to boost up the YouTube algorithm. I think 54 videos remaining, right? Or 53, whatever. We'll see it later. Bye.